That's like, you gotta tell them. For real. This shit ain't just start happening to me, man. Face shot, bitch. I wanna see a fade. Hey, stick your titties out the window. Mardi Gras. No Mardi Gras? Oh, look how he yoked it. Ah, that bitch yoked it. You better give him some hand signals and let him know this shit's for real. You know, look at that shit going across the street, all of that. God damn. All them motherfucking bushes, bitch. Motherfucking tree linebackers, nigga. Wide receiver linebackers, bitch. Blitz. 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 Touchdown. Yeah, bitch. Lawrence Taylor, bitch. Yeah. All that shit right there. Every bit of that shit, blood. And that old ass lady right there to Buddy. I say, a nigga ain't a fuck, man. Nigga about that dollar. Niggas ain't shit, bitch. Ain't no black on that bitch. Nigga shit. Look at Uncle over there. Look at he's yeah, I got like 15%. I'm finna record this bitch till it's down. Battery run dead on this motherfucker. Fuck. Oh, how could I forget now? The close up. You get close up on the nigga. Yeah, that car. You see that car? They use that bitch a lot right there. So, you'll see that bitch a lot right there. And been running groups too, my nigga. It'd be like groups of their ass, groups of truck. All this shit crazy. These crackers. They be having loud noise. I don't know what it is. I'm a street now. I hear loud shit all my life. So that loud shit is nothing. You know what I'm saying? Guns, brrr, that shit life. You know, all this pussy shit. That shit nothing, dog, for real. Nigga been fighting and all running. Look at this shit, how they had shit to pop up on your ass. Nigga been fighting all his life, ain't scared of shit like that. These motherfuckers y'all paying, bitch? Man, y'all gotta be fucking kidding me, dog. Shit like this. Man, I'm a little nigga, dog, so I ain't no belt, my nigga. I ain't no fuck, I ain't no scary ass nigga either. Bitch. They used to say, what the fuck that is right now? Oh, I like to get there. I said, well, look who falling there. That's the crackers that just slid by. Look who falling. I'm finna get you, man. I'm gonna do shit to the battery run up out there, motherfucker. Fuck. You been on light to me on this shit here, boy. They're like I got a pistol when I pull this bitch out. Well, this bitch I be running like, hey, y'all try to sneak by. Bitch be trying to sneak by. They used to, yeah, put their ass up there. I don't give a fuck. It's Hollywood. They used to the camera. So, hey, he running shit. Look at the light. Look at the light. Look how far this motherfucker. Cracker the ride by. Let me show y'all, motherfucker. All right, old school. Mug shot. I don't give a fuck about it. They already know what time it is with me. It's nothing. They already know what it is with me, dog. I don't give a fuck about that shit. Man, nah, this Hollywood, man. I don't care about that shit, bro. They already know who I am. My nigga ain't no motherfucker. Like you did some gangster stuff. Yeah. Look how he talk. He's recording. Yeah, watch how they busting you. I bet they busting you. I bet they don't come this way. Come this way. Don't let them change your walk. I told you the camera like the pistol. He's trying to block my rear view. They be having that little subliminal shit come through to let you start recording their vehicles. You feel me? That's what you want. These fuck out cars, dog. Businesses, all that shit. You feel me? Yeah. I don't know what it is. I mean, it's good to get to some of these motherfuckers. He like he on the stage. Look. What I do now? Man, this shit easy, man. You motherfuckers, what's next? Y'all left for shit. I put y'all, hey, couple, happy couple. Let your hair blow, buddy. Let your hair blow in the wind, buddy. Hey, that car right there, they be sliding in that bitch right there, boy. You hear me? Lights. Action. The car comes out slowly. Blinker lights. They got guys, subliminals. The subliminals. Oh yeah, it's real. The subliminals. Oh yeah, it's real. The subliminals. The subliminals. Oh, you gotta get these motherfuckers. You gotta get these motherfuckers. You might see their ass again and again. No, you gotta go this way. Hold on. No, you gotta go this way. Do it. There go one. Go like this. Yeah. Let the ass out there. Move ass out there. Get the cars though. Get them. Get the cars ready. You fucked me up just then. Get the car. See that we going in the parking garage, my nigga? Out of the parking garage, bitch. That's where they hold all the vehicles at. The parking garage. Some of the parking garage cars are the cars that they use on a regular basis. On to the next one, to the next one. You know what I mean? All viewers follow. Go to your local fucking. Don't fuck them hoes. Go to your local goddamn. What's it called? Parking garages and just sit by that bitch if you going through this motherfucker. If you like, quote me on that shit, blood. Look at this shit. Look at him. Paul. That's one of the fuckers right there. Being a partner. I don't know which one of them being there. Car lot, man. This shit, man, listen. This nigga got like a little businesses and shit, man. I guess they give them a look. I don't know what the fuck kind of business proposition they get, but all these fuck motherfuckers on that shit, dog. I'm with it. I'm with the shits. They be talking that shit, oh, man, I'm down for whatever, my nigga. Swear to God, dog. I'm a man just like that motherfucker, ready for whatever, though. You feel me? Look at this shit they be having me walking across the street. I'm happening. Motherfucking shit still beeping over there. But the construction guy working. These motherfuckers out here like they be doing jobs and goddamn all days and man, like man, what the fuck? I'm finna record these motherfuckers. What type of shit? This type of shit they got found in there. Right here. This type of shit right here. Try to hide it. Whatever's in the little. Come on, slide. I just gotta get it out here going to her jab, bitch. They got coming out the garage. You see that one coming out? Shit right there. That bitch just came out the car garage right there. See if you let it see that bitch in your video, man. Look at the police operate. Car follow his ass. That shit follow his ass. That's the little part. 2 times. Out there. You know what I'm talking about? Put that ass up on Lizzie. Whole face, bitch. Yeah. For real. Shit, for real, dog. How could they cracking, you know what I'm saying? They know the neighborhood, they work the block. How could they not know what's going on through this motherfucker? Fuck y'all. I want to live it. I get y'all time and shit. Y'all ain't important, these motherfuckers here. These are important motherfuckers right here. Shit here. An important motherfucker right there. Them motherfuckers there. That's what you want to get. I make y'all motherfucker come to a nigga with something. Let's talk, motherfucker. Yeah. Shit ain't working, my boy. Yeah, for real. Shit ain't working, my nigga. Never get a nigga. I ain't gonna kill myself. None of that shit. Ain't too many niggas do that. We don't do that shit. No, I ain't gonna do that shit. Y'all money, I motherfucker gonna have a life do. So yeah, I don't rock like that though. With a hazard light shit. These just gonna stay parked right here because they got a direct shit too. They got a job to do too, my nigga. You know what I'm talking about? Straight up. Yeah.